Hello everyone. Welcome to another session of Technical Council's interview series where we interact with all technical club heads and give you a better idea about what the club does. Today we have Mr. Paranjay Paul, the president of DataByte. DataByte is the machine learning and data science club of NIT Trichy. We welcome you, Paranjay.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Rakesh. I hope everyone is safe and sound. I would like to thank Technical Council for having us here and giving us the opportunity to provide you guys some insights about our club. Thank you.
Yeah, I hope you're also safe there. And Paranjay, can you give us an overview of what DataByte does?
Sure. So DataByte is basically the data science and machine learning club of our college. We focus on solving real-world problems using the latest technology. We take up projects which have real and business impact. We involve in research, we use modern software engineering practices, and we believe in collaborating and knowledge sharing. Our work spans the domains of data science and machine learning, business analytics, the AI, and big data. As we grow, we aspire to take up initiatives which empower students, pupils, and our country as a whole.
And coming to this point, see the terms machine learning, data science are very fascinating to many people.
Yeah.
Can you tell what this data science machine learning is and how DataByte is dealing with this and all?
In today's era, the data is the real wealth. If you see big technological giants like Google, Facebook, Amazon, they rely on users' data,
Okay.
with the help of which they generate personalized content, which help them to upskill their business. So data is very important and is very costly here today. So I believe data science is a great skill to process in nowadays.
Okay. Coming to the next point, what are the main projects that DataByte has worked on and planning to work in future?
Okay, so some of our projects which we have already done, or some we includes smart e-commerce system for the self-help groups, some NLP-based automatic assessment generation system to help students prepare for exams, AI interviewer to help people prepare and overcome the fear of interviewing, and some smart assistant to farmers, which will help them increase their income and avoid suicides. These are some of the projects which we work on. And to get more insights about the project, you can visit our website, databyte.nitt.edu.
Okay. And what are some major achievements that DataByte has achieved?
Sure. Our projects, the smart e-commerce system for the self-help group, have been the finalists for Google Build for Digital India project. And this project has also been heavily funded by the state government as well as central government. So we are really proud of our achievement here. Come across.
And also, what all competitions does DataByte take part in every year?
Okay, so DataByte, we as a group, we take part in various ML hackathons happening all over India in the internet. So and apart from this, we take part regularly. Our members take part regularly in the Kaggle competitions, and we there are some programmers also which take part in contests happening over time in code forces, Coursera.
Okay. And
We,
coming to
we
go on. Sorry.
actually we encourage people to take up competitions and participate in them so that they learn more on the domain knowledge.
And coming to the other point of discussion,
Hmm.
uh, how are you planning to go for inductions this year, like in this COVID situation and all?
Okay, so as of now, we have planned to conduct virtual induction process. Our inductions will mostly open for second years and third years. Will happen during September end or early October, and mostly will span for a duration of 3 to 4 weeks. So, for the induction process, what we have think of, the process will ensure learning as well as complete assessment for the candidates We will have a dedicated portal to register the candidate, and which will help them to choose their profiles. We'll assign them mentors. We'll give them tasks. We'll track their progress, and also give them feedback so that they can work on it and improve. And coming to the task, you can expect some assessments on basic fundamentals of data science, then some project-oriented tasks, and maybe a ML hackathon also.
Hmm, okay, that's nice. And what do you expect in a potential inductee?
Actually, we don't expect anything from an inductee. We won't expect any coding as well as advanced conceptual knowledge from them. We just want them to have the thirst and eagerness to learn. Every week, a candidate will be given a new task to work on, which includes new technologies. And if they can show us that they are eager to learn and produce some output, we'll be more than happy to take them. So first few days will be dedicated to the learning of languages like Python, basics of mathematics like algebra, calculus, statistics, probability, something like this. And this will ensure a learning curve for them also.
Okay, and moving on to the next point, what do a person gain going through this all induction process, the induction process
Uh,
of DataByte?
the induction process is designed such a way that at the end of the project, at the end of the induction process, the people must be at a level where they can choose where they have any idea, they can work on that idea and build a complete product out of it.
Hmm.
That's what we expect
Okay,
our inductees to go through.
okay. And you being an MyTax fellow and you were placed in Oracle, congrats to all those.
Thank you.
How did DataByte help you in that all?
Of course, see, I come from a triple E background, so I'm not very much aware of software initially. So after coming to
Mhm.
DataByte, my seniors and my batchmates have guided me ample. They provided me resources. They helped me to cope up with the difficult situations. Like when I started software engineering, it was very tough. I could not solve many problems, but they motivated me. They helped me grow as an individual and also technically. So I owe my success to DataByte members, obviously. And we have our alumni community, who are very approachable and very friendly to help anything nowadays.
Oh, that's nice. And what are the main perks that one person will gain being part of DataByte?
So the main perk is the collaboration with the like-minded people, which will enhance the skill set of ours and will push us to work better and further. So apart from this, the guidance from the seniors and also alumni network who are placed in very good companies and are doing some awesome research in some reputed institutions. And we we organize knowledge sharing sessions once in a week we so that people from diverse background come to know about what is going on latest in the technology and what other people are working on currently. So this is a wholesome situation which benefits all the members of our club.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay, we are looking forward for the inductions, and we are happy that you're open for second and third years. And
Yes.
we thank you, Paranjay, for being part of this interview. And we all thank you for listening to us.
Thanks, Rakesh. Thanks for having me here.